Hello guys, welcome to my channel Web Guru World. So today we will see that how can we create a swap currency interactions. Like if for example here I have a beautiful video which I just get from the one of the designer called khagwal.com. So what he did is he just created two input field, and under the input field he has option with the drop down where he can change the country, and accordingly the you can say the exchange money is changing. Like if you wanted to change if you wanted to see what is the US price for comparatively Europe, so you can choose those and you can see the what is the current price of euro if I talk about to one US dollar. Okay, so this is a kind of interaction he had created, but the thing is this interaction is not built in Figma. This is actually built in Figma or some kind of other tool. So I just thought that can we create it in a Figma? Yes, we can, but the only challenge is like we can't make a smooth animation which we can see here. But never mind, if you like in a Figma prototype, whenever you showcase your design, you don't need to you don't supposed to be like very much like create a interaction which is very smooth. If you are like showcasing your what you wanted to achieve, that is also good enough to present your interaction. Okay, so we will try that how much level we can achieve in terms of the interaction, or can we create this kind of interaction or not. Let's see, and we will try to get it. But the thing is I am dividing this tutorial into three parts. Okay, so first I will simply create a one swappable interaction. After that I will create one swap currency tutorial, and in the third part we will create this drop down. With that we will see that we can change the country. Like if I wanted to change US dollar to India, what will be the price of one US dollar if we convert it into the INR. So this is a kind of interaction we will achieve in a three parts. Okay, so I just don't want to waste your time now. Let's go ahead to our first part. Okay, so for that I need to open my Figma file. I will create one input field, and here I will type enter name. Okay, so first I just wanted to create a one swappable interaction, like with what is the mean of swappable interaction means if I press any icon, the top input field or top section will move to the bottom, and bottom section will move to the top. Okay, so this is a kind of interaction I wanted to create in the first part. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Okay, so first I'm just creating an enter name text, and after I'm creating this auto layout, and I wanted to create one input field here. Okay, enter name and enter email. Okay, and here what I will do is I will create, I have given one property called corner radius, which I given from the top left and the top right. Okay, similarly what I will do, I will give this from the bottom right and bottom left and bottom right. Okay, so that what will happen, that it will give you a kind of relation that all these two input fields are linked together. Okay, so you can create it according to your design requirement, but I am right now just wanted to create as I provided the roundness properties to this component. Okay, And now what I will do it, let me see the what is the property. I think 14 pixel we can, and let me give this at least 42 pixel of height, just because I wanted to make it looks like a little bit bigger. Okay, 12 pixel is padding is good enough. And now what I will do, I will create a component of it. I will create a component of it. Okay, so okay, sorry, let me copy this again, and now I will create a one component. This has 42 pixel. Let me increase the size little bit more also. I wanted to make it a little bit big so that it will give a proper visibility in the design. Okay, so here I'm just entering the first name. Okay, first email, and now after that I'm making a I given the name it's soft, it's swapped, or it's swapped off. Okay, so I have created two property. One is it's swapped, and the second one is swapped off. Okay, and the difference in between them is like in the top section in is it's swapped, the enter name is will be in the on the top, and in the swapped off the enter name will be in the bottom. Okay, so now what I will do, I will make them as a component set. Okay, and I will name those as a input form. Okay, and you can say the type. Now what I will do, I will make it as a true property, and this one I will make as a false. Okay, now what I will do is I will create a one iPhone screen here that will be 393 by 825. Now I'm just copying this and pasting it here, and I'm just making this practice one. Okay, so now the thing is like I have created one design, one mobile screen, and now what I will do it, I will make a frame, and under that what I will do it, I will copy this. I think we can create a auto layout, and we will make it as a 12 pixel, and after that I will make a copy and I will make it this as off. Now what I will do, I will clip this. Okay, I am just clipping this so that what will happen that whenever user swap this, the first input field will be on and second input field will one off, but whenever user press the swap icon, the second input field group will be on and first input field group will be off. Okay, so this will give us a like a kind of feel that something is swapping. Okay, so now what we will do is I just wanted to first name. Okay, and first email. So as you know that first email means email input field will come as a first, and first name means and enter name input field will become as a first. Okay, after that we need a one icon which we can use as a swappable interaction. But before that what I wanted to create a variables, and what I will do it, I will create a is swapped. Okay, and it will come under the practice one boolean. Okay, practice one container. It's swapped. Its swapped will be on and its swapped will be off. So I am just making this as a is swapped off. Now what I will do it, I will link it with the is swapped and I will link it with the is swapped off. Okay. Now we need one icon. For that I have already created one icon and I am taking a and you can put it according to your requirement. There is no hard and fast rule here that you have to use it according to which I am using right now. You don't need to use accordingly what I am following. You can use it according to your design requirement. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to write an interaction here. Okay. Now we will create an interaction and under this I am removing the older one and I will write with the fresh way that whenever user click on on this icon, we will set a variable. Sorry, we will not set a variable, we will write a condition, just because this can only achieve by the condition. Okay, so what I am saying is whenever is swapped is equal to true, then kindly set variable and make it swapped as a false. Okay, and after that make a swapped off as a true. Okay, so this is what we have written here, that whenever user click on this icon, he will check that is swapped off or on or off. Okay, so if you remember that we place it swapped on a top, so it means it is true. So what he will do then, that he will make this is swapped true as a false, means he will hide that, and after that he will unhide is swapped off. Okay, if you remember inside is swapped off, we kept as a false condition. Okay, but after that if we found that is, what will happen if we found that it swapped is equal to false. Okay, so what will happen then, what we will do it, we will make is swapped as a true, like whenever user press this, first condition will run. After that if user again press this icon, what will happen, he will again check that is swapped true or false. If he found that is swapped is false, just because true is already happened, well, he means he already did that command. Okay, so after that in a second whenever we hit second time this icon, what will happen, he will again check and he found that the is swapped is false, then he will make is swapped as a true, also he will make is swapped as a false. Okay, simple thing. So now what we will do is I will see that whether it is working fine or not. Okay, you need to check that. I am clicking on this icon, as you can see that I am refreshing again. I am not sure that whether you notice or not. So I just refresh it. If you remember that first group which is called is swapped is true. So whenever I press this, it will make this is swapped group as a false and make it swapped off as a true, just because we hit that. But what if we again hit it? If we again hit, he will check again that condition, that is swapped off or on. If he found that is swapped it off, then what he will do, he will make this is swapped on is swapped as a true. You see, so right now is swapped true is is swapped true. Right now we are in the mode of is swapped true. Okay, whenever we press it, he will make is swapped true as a false and is swapped off as a true. Now whenever we press this icon, he will switch it. He will switch is swapped true condition as a true, just because earlier we make it as a false, and he will make is swapped off as a false. Okay, so this is a simple thing I had created, and you can also do that with the simple command of with the if and else condition. Okay. In a second note, what we will do it, I will make a one keypad in the bottom, and we will try to convert the currency with the logic that whenever user enter top, I will I will type any amount in the top section, and let's see that can we get the value of converted amount or not. Okay, also you can swap those parameter, means if I am placing US dollar in the top and INR in the bottom, whenever user click on this icon, INR will be moved to the top and US dollar input field will be moved to the bottom. Plus we will make this as a swappable currency. Okay, so this is the next thing we will try to achieve. Okay, so be with me and kindly share this video, and I hope that you like this video, and this humble request, kindly subscribe my channels, because I saw that 90% of users are not subscribe my channel. So if you have found something very helpful, so kindly share with me. Also share this video with your colleagues so that they can also learn the Figma advanced technique, and we will make a stronger Figma community. Okay, till then, bye, take care.